So I'm Sneaky Baz, coming to you live from Sneakies Kitchen in Homebush. Our menu offering is mainly burgers, pizza, pasta. That's where we're strongest. We get a lot of people that come in spontaneous, right? So we can be empty and then all of a sudden you might have 50 people just rock up within about 20 minutes. And the biggest challenge we were finding was with conventional equipment, trying to maintain that service and quality to service that many people at one time. With the kitchen upgrade, we've nailed it now. In the kitchen, we have the Garland Express grill, Frymaster fryers, and the Merco holding unit. The best way to explain how we use the Garland Express grill is the fact that we can batch cook. You've gone from cooking conventional burger patties from 8 minutes down to doing a run of 16 in less than 90 seconds. Consistency is very important. That's probably one of the biggest factors in this business. And when you're training staff to be able to get the same consistency out of everyone is very hard. The Garland Express takes the thinking away from that. Training goes from 3-4 weeks down to maybe a week. Everything's pre-programmed. The Frymaster doesn't lose temperature. So when you're dropping 4 baskets in, you're pulling them up, you drop another 4 baskets in, you don't have to wait for it to recover. It's recovering as you cook. We've got the cooking power. What do you do after you cook everything, right? You can't just leave it out. You lose temperature, you lose quality. The Merco jumps in. As soon as you batch cook, you put it in the holding unit, holds at perfect temperature. Once your buns are cooked, you can start building your burgers, pull the meat or chicken, whatever you're pulling out of the Merco, build your burgers and you're on your way. Consistency, qualities, you don't lose anything, even during peak service. We do a lot of takeaway as well through Uber Eats, Menulog and DoorDash, all the delivery partners. And we're quite popular in the area as well. So on a busy Friday night, we can do anywhere up to 300-400 covers. Since we've installed the Garland and the Frymaster, we now no longer put the delivery platforms on hold. Even during peak service, we're still servicing our regular customers that are ordering through the platforms.